And in our top business story, the UAE Ministry of Economy has announced that the value of the UAE's non-oil foreign trade reached 1.75 trillion dirhams in 2015, a growth of up to 10% from the previous year, according to its report. The Ministry of Economy pointed out that the figures show a rise in the country's competitiveness as a capital of regional trade, noting that the volume of the UAE's non-oil trade, inclusive of free zones, was valued at 1.632 trillion dirhams in 2014, while its direct trade totaled 1.072 trillion, and the value of imports reached 696.4 billion dirhams. World Trade Organization figures show that the UAE's exports amounted to 132.2 billion dirhams, and re-exports totaled 243.7 billion. The Ministry of Economy also noted that the rise in the number of volume of UAE trade zones in 2014 amounted to around 560 billion dirhams, confirming that the country managed to achieve the top rank in international trade statistics for 2015, released by the WTO. According to the report, the UAE came in 16th globally in commodity exports and 20th globally for imports. The country ranked 19th globally as a service importer and 42nd globally in service exports. Real GDP growth reached 4.6% in 2014 and is expected to grow in 2015 by 3 to 3.5%. Non-oil sectors recorded strong growth in GDP at current prices and reached 8.1% in 2014. And the contribution of non-oil sectors reached 68.6% of GDP at constant prices in 2014. The contribution is expected to reach 80% in 2021. The report concluded by saying that the UAE took first position among Arab countries and was 22nd in the world in the Global Investment Index for 2015, thanks to the ability of its sectors to attract foreign investment. The Dubai International Financial Centre has announced that the number of new company registrations last year increased 27% compared to 2014. That's the highest number achieved in a single year to date. According to a statement, the number of new registrations grew from 242 to 309, while the size of the total workforce employed within the DIFC also grew 11% from 2014. To reach 19,808. This is around 40% of the overall target the DIFC set as a part of its 2024 growth strategy. Isa Kazim, the governor of the centre, said that last year we unveiled our long-term growth strategy and we are well on the way to achieving a number of its key objectives. 1,445 active registered firms now operate within the DIFC, compared to 1,225 at the end of 2014. That's an increase of 18%, recording the highest number since the DIFC's inception. The DIFC added that the number of active registered firms in the financial services sector grew 13% and 22% for the non-financial services. Dubai's average annual apartment rent across all bedroom categories rose 3% from December last year to just under 138,000 dirhams in January. That's according to a new report. Real estate website Bayut.com revealed that on average, apartment yields across Dubai were estimated at a little over 6% and up to 10% depending on location and quality of projects. In its month-on-month study, Bayut found that average annual rents for studio apartments were around 59,000 dirhams, down 1% compared to December 2015. One-bedroom apartments were rented for an average of 97,000 dirhams in January, registering a 0.8% decrease, while 2- and 3-bed apartments posted 0.1% and 2.2% increases, with average annual rents of 151,000 and 211,000 dirhams, respectively. The 4+ bed category saw a rental decline of 2.2% in January, down to an average of 330,000 dirhams. Dubai Marina remained the most popular location for renting apartments in Dubai in January this year, followed by Jumeirah Lakes Towers And Bur Dubai, Downtown Dubai and Business Bay then rounded out the list of the top 5. Dubai developer Damac Properties has announced that it is offering a guaranteed annual return to investors on advance payments during the construction of its projects. According to a company statement, a 3% return is equivalent to twice the interest on fixed deposits. And customers will receive the payments twice a year until the completion of a unit. Another product being offered is the Damac Capital Guarantee, which guarantees the property's value for 2 years after delivery. The company added that it will pay the difference to the investors if the unit price has declined between the time of delivery and the end of 2019. The developer also announced that it had purchased land in Dubai for 1.26 billion dirhams through the company's subsidiary Damac Properties Development. According to a statement, the plots are located on the eastern and western sides of the Sheikh Zayed Road, close to the Dubai Canal project, and will add around 4 million square foot to the company's land bank.